All right, you guys, it's Corinna from Shared Legacy Farms. How's everyone doing? We are on day 2 of the do-it-yourself microgreen home grow kit demonstration. So yesterday we planted everything. Now for the next 2 days, we're on day 2. So maybe for the next 2 or 3 days, our job is just to check it once, maybe twice if it's really hot, once or twice a day, and just make sure that it's not super dried out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take off this little can and the lid that we put on the top, and I'm gonna check my seeds. They still look pretty good. I might just give them a little bit of a spritz, all right? And I'm gonna do that with all of the different stacks here. Just a quick little spritz to keep them moist. If you put them somewhere where they're really dried out, you'll definitely wanna make sure that you do this. If I had put this in my greenhouse where it's really warm and arid, I would probably have to check and water these twice each day. So that's all that we're doing. Put the little top back on, put your small weight back on. If you don't have this, that's not the end of the world. And then you're just gonna take this and put it back where you had it before. You're gonna repeat this for the next 3 days, okay? And we'll check back on day 4 and we'll see if things are beginning to sprout, okay? When they start to sprout, then we move on to our next step.